In this video, we'll have a look at the steps required to install Leap on a PC or laptop. Now, before installing Leap, you need to ensure the computer meets some minimum system requirements. This will ensure Leap can run effectively on the computer you are installing. First step is to conduct a system audit. This will compare your computer system with the system requirements and highlight where they match. Click on the link in step 1 to download the audit file. This will appear in the left-hand corner of the screen, so click on this to open the audit file. If you select the All tab, it'll show you each section and a green tick where that section meets the parameters. If you encounter any red crosses in those sections, you may need to consult your IT professional to have those upgraded to meet those standards. Once you've verified that your PC meets these standards, we can move on to downloading the installer found in step 3. Click on the installer to get started. Click on the file that is downloaded into the left-hand corner to start the installation. Once open, simply follow the prompts along the bottom to finish the installation. Once installed, Leap will automatically run to allow you to log in for the first time.